This is Capcut's text-to-speech. So open up Capcut and we'll just choose a stock video. So let's click that. Now let's put in some text. So we move over to text and then let's add a body text. And let's put in, I love sunsets. So now go down here and let's just move this maybe here. So just about there, you move your playhead to just where it starts, or maybe just a little bit there. And then once you click that, you go up to your basic. Now some people would have it up here. I have it as a vertical taskbar. So I'll click on text to speech and there's the voice effects here. So in this case, let me choose, you can test it out, but I'll choose chill girl. It's applying text to speech right now. And if you can see down here, it's placed it here. So let's move it to the beginning. Let's close that out and let's see how it goes. Let's play now.
I love sunsets.
So you can adjust it. So let's say I want it just here. And let's see how it plays now.
I love sunsets.
That's it. Now you can adjust. Of course, you can adjust this here or you can move it around.